Wow, that was something else. That was something else. Beautiful, beautiful song. Beautiful song. What goes on through your mind when you play these instruments?
I believe I lose my mind. You know, the instrument, for it to function, it has to become part of you.
Okay.
You have to breathe, and then you can get the overtones coming.
Okay.
And you have to use your mouth. When you shape your mouth, you manipulate the tones.
So this one, your mouth is the amplifier.
It's amplifier.
Plus
and
the voice also.
And the voice, the overtones, you control your overtones with the shape of the mouth. The smaller the cavity of the mouth, the higher the tones you'll achieve.
Okay.
And the bigger the cavity, the lower the tones. And then I'm going to have that whistle that comes. Actually,
where do you whistle from?
Well, from the overtones.
From the overtones?
Yes, yeah, I just suck them out and somehow they can sing the whistle with me. You know, the instrument, it plays,
nice one, yeah.
it plays
itself.
Yes, yeah. Well, the bows actually, they compose the music. We just listen and we follow what we hear.
Wow.
Yes.
So you are basically a conduit.
Yes, yeah.
A conversation.
Thank you
that is
much.
happening on this instrument here.
Yeah, we are just the followers. You know, we just follow what you hear from the bow.
Because I mean, honestly speaking, it's not. I mean, when you tell me you get to school to study this, I wonder what is it and how people will teach you an instrument which is spiritual. Who teaches another person to be spiritual, and what is it that you can tell me to do on a school and, you know?
I guess scientifically, to be able to understand actually which tone are you playing at, because now we are in the world whereby there are other cultures with other instruments. Perhaps you'd like to collaborate. Okay. So it would be nice to know your instrument, if you can reach from a key of A to a D, and then maybe you can be able to play with the piano or guitar.
Okay.
So perhaps that science...
in an orchestration sort of thing.
Yes, yeah. So for that, it helped to bring about that science to understand actually these are tones, and these tones, you can play one, but then they multiply themselves, and then you must understand the multiplication of them, how it works.